check. Having all these diamonds dancing on me around my neck.
Here's the UCAD trade. We're currently up, you know, something slight, you know what I mean? We're going to play it off of this 15-minute, not an H1, but 15-minute trade. Here, let me update it to the 15 so we can see that for y'all. There we go. On the 15-minute right here, you know what I mean? It's like a 1 to 6 trade, so this will make back all our losses if it hits our final take profit. However, yeah, we don't know. So we're going to let this play out. That's the only trade I'm in right now. Alright, so I guess to give you guys an update on the UCAD trade. A little bit in profit right now, nothing too crazy from when I last showed you guys. And yeah, I'll update you guys probably at the end of this trade and let you guys know what happened. But yeah, and we just got hit on one of our levels. We're about to break our structure for shorts, so that means I know for good we're going long. And yeah, so we're gonna see how this goes. Alright, so back with UCAD, hit TP1, as you guys can see. Wait for it to focus. There we go. Hit TP1, and I'm currently waiting for a pullback. I had to ignore that. Currently waiting for a pullback to catch it and just continue this trade. Hopefully we can make our money back all off this one trade, because this is a 1 to 6, and then if we catch a pullback, it'll be like a 1 to 3. And catch another pullback, like 1 to 3, so we get like a 1. So we can get like 9% off this trade and make everything back and more. You know, hopefully, yeah. But yeah, so that's the update so far, and I'll keep updating you guys. So I wanted to update you guys on some trades. This is a new trade I just took. This is AU. We're currently at break even, what stops. As you can see, we're melting right now, which is freaking amazing. I'm trying to play it down to 70984 for like a 1 to 6, I believe. Hopefully this will play out right. UCAD on the other hand looks like it might end up melting and stopping me out. Yeah, like I don't like how that wick is forming, so we might be getting stopped out on this, honestly, because we didn't get enough volatility to like move this. We don't have anything. We have this freaking bearish candle right there, and yeah, I don't think we're gonna get any movement from UCAD to finish our trade, which kind of sucks. I'm gonna hold it to see what happens. I'm only up like $100 on this anyway right now. It's nothing crazy, so if I get stopped out, I'm not really gonna trip about it. So trade update, as you guys can see, it fucking melted. Yes sir. Currently up, wait for it to focus. Oh my gosh, won't focus. There you go. Currently up $900 right now off this trade, and even UCAD started pushing up for me too, as you guys can see. So we're all good here right now. I might close out AU, honestly, and yeah, I made back my losses. So yeah, we're pretty much good for tonight, guys. We're back at break even, as long as I don't get stopped out on these trades. Yeah, so I'm just gonna hold these. I might close out AU, and yeah, I'll give you guys an update what happens next. Alright, so I just closed all these trades. I made back all my money that I lost today, plus I'm up like an extra $100 compared to where I was when I lost the money. So good night so far. Good night. You know what I mean? We still have 4 or 5 hours left. You know what I mean? Here's UCAD. Let me show you guys. Hang on. And here's UCAD still flying, but it's whatever. We close out of this trade. I'm happy with it. We made our money back. Now it's time to wait for next setups. And yeah, so I mean, there you go. Yeah, like, there it is, guys. Yeah, I mean, like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was up $1,100 at one point. Here, I'm gonna show you guys actually on my phone here. Well, no, I'll put it like right here somewhere. I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, I was up $1,100. I didn't actually take a screenshot of it or whatever. But I was up $1,100, and then I closed with a profit of $863 for today. So that's a good behind day. And we were down almost $800 earlier. Remember that. So we made a lot of money today. The night's not over. I'm gonna keep trading, and we're gonna see what happens. But I'm not gonna show you guys these trades in this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was something like nothing major, nothing crazy, nothing too like oh my gosh. But I really just wanted to make this video just for you guys to understand it, like just to see like live and how it works with greed and things like that, and like why you should avoid it. But I hope you guys enjoyed it again. And yeah, keep trading. Don't give up. This is literally a sign of don't give up. Look at this. Oh my gosh, don't give up. And I literally closed AU at like the most perfect time. Look at this pullback. I closed right at the bottom down there of that second bearish candle, the second white candle from the bottom. I closed it right there, and that was the wicks. Just about one of the perfect times to close, because I was afraid of this pullback because it got too far on me. You can even see here, look at that wick at me. Whew. We closed out A-OK, boys. So yeah, we did that, and yeah, I'm gonna keep trading tonight. And you guys have a great night or great day whenever you're seeing this. Keep on trading. Let's get this money. And yeah, love you guys. I'm out.